Okay friends, so let us learn cascading style sheet. As per our textbook, we have to insert some text in our composer window. We are writing Gujarat tourism. Now select the text and make it heading 1 from here. Choose a paragraph format and heading 1. Right? Now our text is with H1 tag, heading 1 tag. Now save your file first because to apply the CSS our file must be saved. I am pressing Ctrl S, writing some title CSS. OK. Saving the file with the same name CSS. And now click on Cascade button in Composition toolbar. It will open a CSS style sheet dialog box. In this dialog box, open this pull down menu and select H1 because we want to create a style for heading 1. Select H1 from here and click on create style rule. You can see that the upper section of that dialog box will be changed. Okay, now we are having some sections here: text, background, borders, box, list and oral. In our book only text, background and border sections are given, right? So now click on text tab. It will open some properties of CSS. Select any font from here. You can open the menu and select any font style, right? It is a font family, a group of fonts. You can select individual font from here. Open the menu. You can see all the fonts which are installed in your computer. You can select any one, right? Then font size can be changed from here. You can increase or decrease the size of your font. Here you can see the preview as well as you can see that all the properties are applied to our text also. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog is a sample text. Line height, you can increase the line height from here as per your choice. You can select the color. You can select any color for your heading. Font weight, you can select bold. Font style, you can select italic. In case lowercase will convert the entire text in small letters. Likewise uppercase, all capitals, and capitalize will capital first character of each word. Okay. In alignment, there are 4 alignments: left, center, right. I am making it center. Fourth justified is for paragraph. Okay. So as per our book we have to select center here. Text decoration, overline will make a line over the text, underline, and line through will give the strike through effect. Blinking, in some web browsers you cannot see this blinking effect, but here it is given. Now in background, you can select the color for background. Any color you can select. You can select the opacity, the transparency, right? Now see, you can see the blinking effect also. And in border section, you can select some style of border. In our book they have given dotted style, but you can select any style out of here. Here I am selecting double, so the double line border will be visible. You can select the width of border, color of border. Okay, and after applying every property in all the properties, you can select OK button to accept that. So friends, this is our cascading style sheet. You may don't have to apply all the styles, but you have to apply the styles which are asked in examination. Thank you.